Hey everybody, we are at the Prima booth. I'm going to show you Julie Nutting's line. It's so cute. I'll try to go slow so you guys can see. We got Kelly. We have Clarissa. Phoebe. Alright, then we have the paper. Butterfly Bliss. So cute. Alright, then we have Fiona and Becky, Willow, and then we have a couple projects up here. These up there, they're so cute. And then we have this project here. I love this one, it's so cute. We have some chipboard stickers, ephemera. This beautiful layout. And then we have Ivy and 6x6 paper pad, so cute. And then some more projects here. I love the texture on this one. More projects here, lots of projects to show you guys. And then this banner down here is so cute. And we got the frame. Alright, that's a look at Julie Nutting's line. Alright, thanks for watching.